Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this XIAOMI smartphone. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Now you need to tap on Brightness Level section over here and click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness. As you can see, after that, Auto Brightness is off, but you can always turn it on by tapping on the same No Gray switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into Tab menu as well and click on this Auto Brightness shortcut. If it's see-through, that means that Auto Brightness is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same until it's blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!